Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing TrueSeaMoss Gummies to see if these are as good as the gel form and if they really justify the price. CMOS is known for being packed with minerals that support thyroid health, immunity, and digestion. The gel version is popular because it's close to natural form, but gummies are marketed as the more convenient option. When we tried TrueSeaMoss Gummies consistently, the main benefit was how easy it was to take them daily without having to prep smoothies or deal with the gel texture. The taste was pleasant and it was much easier to travel with compared to jars of gel. We did notice improvements in energy and digestion over several weeks, but the effects weren't as strong as when we used True Seamus gel directly. Gummies contain added ingredients like sweeteners and stabilizers, which slightly reduce the purity compared to the raw or gel form. The pros are convenience, great taste, easy portability, and the fact that it still provides a good mineral boost. The cons are weaker potency compared to the gel, added fillers, and a higher price for what you actually get. Overall, True Seamless Gummies are good for busy people who value convenience, but if you want the strongest results, the gel is still the better option. This has been How to Learn to Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.